What is that one thing that you would probably want to prioritize with pet parents and would want pet parents to prioritize with you?
The number one thing which comes to my mind is always precaution is better than cure. Prioritize precautions,
Right.
right? When it comes to be vaccination, take medications, or kennel cough, or any sort of preventions, right?
Correct.
It's always better. Definitely nothing can guarantee. Dettol भी सालों से कहते जा रहा है 99% sure, 99.9, 100% कोई गारंटी नहीं ले सकता. But what it does is it minimizes the risk. हम गाड़ी चलाते हैं, हम पहले दिन से सीट बेल्ट पहन रहे होते हैं. We don't wait for the accident to happen. तो कहीं ना precautions should always be prioritized. Another thing which I would say is understand your dog.
Correct.
Every dog's an individual.
Correct.
Know your dog. Don't become one of those parents. याद है बचपन में होते थे एक आंटी होती हैं who will be like सारी गलत. If you tell कि नहीं ये बच्चे ने ये किया, नहीं मेरा बच्चा तो कर ही नहीं सकता. Don't
correct.
become one of those guys.
Yeah, correct.
कि denial में basically you're living in denial.
Yeah.
I think like you know your dog so well.
Yeah, like I will tell you, keep Dollar is calm, Lyra is needy, Rio is naughty. Like that is one thing I will tell you. He has a lot of puppy energy. He's
Right.
anxious.
He's
So,
the
yeah,
youngest one,
he's-
right?
he's the
Which is
youngest one, yeah.
youngest of.
Right.
When I say understanding your dog, by what I mean is being aware of the basic knowledge how the behavior of my dog works.
Yeah.
You know, like for example, if I put them all four in boarding, right, and I'm 100% sure within 2 days I'll be getting a call saying asteroid का पेट खराब हो गया. It is bound to happen. It is not because कि वहाँ का खाना खराब था. It's his immune which is very weak altogether.
Right,
यहाँ पे
right.
climate change होता है, इसकी तबीयत खराब हो जाती है, right? 3G का if someone calls me and tells me कि 3G भाग गया, obviously I'll be shocked. But मुझे पता है इसमें वो possibility है because he has that agility as well.
Right,
But he
right.
घूम फिर के he has a very good sense of direction as well.
Right.
तो ये वो एरिया में ही घूम फिर के वापस भी आ जाएगा.
yeah.
बट
Yeah.
अगेन वहीं पे जब मेरे को पता है कि इसका ये नेचर है, so what I'll be doing is as a precaution, as a parent, I would probably be putting a dog tag and a air tag when I'm leaving him anywhere.
Correct.
Right? That's
Yeah,
my
yeah.
responsibility,
Yeah,
and I'll be informing the person कि ये कर सकता है.
Yeah.
At the same time, Mars का I'll tell very clearly रखना है, इसको अलग रखो या
Correct,
इस
correct,
ग्रुप के साथ रखो,
correct.
because it's not he has that alpha energy running around him, right? तो वो झगड़े करेगा ही. So I might get a call very soon saying कि मार्स ने किसी को काट लिया या कुछ कर लिया. So before that only I would prefer कि मैं देखो इसका ये नेचर है, will you be able to handle him or
Right.
not? If you are able to handle him, I know don't introduce him to new groups. Cham का तो I know 100% I'll get a call saying कि इन्होंने हमारा फर्नीचर खा लिया. One thing which he'll do is he will eat off. I don't know why he loves cotton. वो पूरा आपका सोफा खोलेगा, उसमें से cotton he won't chew. He will swallow.
With Rio, I will tell you कि ये भाग जाएगा. ये for sure कुछ destroy करेगा. He's very naughty. And like I think it was the first time I was sending Rio also. So I think because what I noticed from vet visits,
Right.
because वो कभी boarding गया नहीं या
हाँ.
home stay में रहा नहीं बाकी doggy के साथ. So कभी उसको he never got the chance to socialize with other dogs other than his own.
pack.
So I didn't know how his temperament is going to be like, and I think I informed you that I don't know.
हाँ.
But जितना मैंने vet like clinics
जो भी
में
देखा
देखा
है.
है, he does get a little protective about.
And वही आप thankfully as a parent you are also open about it कि मेरे को नहीं पता है कैसे रिएक्ट करेगा, क्या करेगा. So हम लोग को क्या होता है कि we can prepare accordingly to
Yeah.
keep extra attention.
Right.
But at the same time, since you have multiple dogs, now you will be also open to possibility. हो जाते हैं यार बच्चे, हम लोग स्कूल में जाते हैं, झगड़े नहीं करते हैं क्या? आई डोंट थिंक अगर मैं स्कूल में मेरे कभी स्क्रैच लग गया या चोट लग गई और मेरे माँ बाप अगर घर में बैठा, वो तो नहीं करते ना, बबल क्रिएट कर लिया,
Yeah,
कैसे
right,
लग गई है,
right,
स्कूल
right.
वो करवा देते हैं. इट इज ओनली बीइंग ओपन टू पॉसिबिलिटीज. चीजें हो सकती हैं,
Right,
राइट?
right.
देयर इज अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस कि इंटेंशनली चीजें क्या हो रही है, अनइंटेंशनली चीजें
Correct.
क्या हो रही है. वी शुड टॉक अबाउट थिंग्स, राइट? अगर आप बोर्डिंग में कहीं पे भी डाल रहे हो, एनी होम स्टे, दिस इज इन जनरल व्हिच आई एम सेइंग कि आप कहीं पे भी डालते हो ना, no one can guarantee anything, but
Correct.
what you should be looking at is how responsible they are. If any problem has happened, are they informing you, are they taking actions against it or not? If you see, अब बहुत से dogs यहाँ पे turn up करते हैं जिनका कभी कभार सबसे ज़्यादा कॉमन प्रॉब्लम जो आती है वो आती है अराउंड टमी अपसेट हो गया.
या करेक्ट. एंड दैट्स बट बाय डिफॉल्ट विल हैपन बिकॉज घर पे एक खाना बनता है एंड बोर्डिंग में एक खाना बनता है, होम स्टेज में एक खाना बनता है. देयर इज बाय डिफॉल्ट अ फूड चेंज and like for example, yeah, for sure,
changes,
water change. So for me, I know that not Lyra so much, not Rio so much,
Indies
but Dollar
are very resilient.
Yeah, like Dollar is a bit sensitive to change. Retrievers especially, they are very sensitive to change. So if there's a change in food, what will happen is he might have a loose stool, which is very normal. And for that matter, जब वो boarding से आते भी है, there will be a little change in their gut and things like that, क्योंकि फिर बोर्डिंग के खाने से घर का खाना
हमारे साथ होता है ना. प्रॉब्ली अगर मैं नए शहर में जा रहा होता हूँ कभी कभार, मे बी दे हैव गॉट द बेस्ट फूड इन द वर्ल्ड. करेक्ट. बट अब वो रेस्टोरेंट में हम 10 लोग गए थे, मे बी खाली मेरा पेट खराब हुआ क्योंकि मे बी माई इम्यून इज सो वीक, माई सिस्टम इज सो वीक कि मेरे को वो एडजस्ट नहीं किया. तो आई वुडंट से कि वो, आई वुड चेक कि मेरे बाकी 9 फ्रेंड्स का सही है, तो प्रॉब्ली वो गलती मेरे अंदर. इट वाजंट कि आई विल पुट अ ब्लेम कि वो रेस्टोरेंट गलत.
करेक्ट.
यू कांट डू दैट, राइट? या वो सिटी, अगर मैं फॉरेन कंट्री में कहीं पे भी जा रहा हूँ, कुछ भी क्लाइमेट चेंज हो रहा है, कुछ भी हो रहा है, अगर तबीयत खराब हो रही है, हर चीज आप किसी और, बाय डिफॉल्ट कुछ ह्यूमंस में होता है कि हम ब्लेम कर देते हैं. राइट. रेस्टोरेंट ने खाना ऐसा खिला दिया, ये वो नहीं होना चाहिए. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, अगर चीजें भी होती हैं, अब लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल आई विल टेल यू, a few dogs used to turn up over here जिनके घर पे ज़्यादा करके चिकन नहीं मिलता है. Okay, so that protein basically they substitute, क्योंकि वेज फैमिलीज एंड वो सारी चीज़ें भी रहती हैं. अब जब नहीं मिल रहा होता है, सडनली यहाँ पे मेजर मील था चिकन. वी स्टार्टेड ऑब्जर्विंग, जैसे एक में हुआ था कि वो बार बार puke करती है every time she was getting chicken. The parents were okay, they were like they used to feed her once in a blue moon.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah, there are some vegetarian household pets also. Yeah.
I am a vegetarian.
Right.
They are hardcore vegetarian. Right. But and I understand that, right? But उसमें उनको पता भी नहीं होता, बहुत बार होता है हमें पता ही नहीं होता है कि there is a underlining problem with our dog. अब उसके साथ then we came to know there was even gluten allergy, there was protein allergy. What was causing? Every time अगर हम उसे curd rice दे रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं. So I saw that pattern. I informed the parent. Now parents, instead of saying नहीं आपका खाना गलत है, what they did was they visited the vet. They checked what happened, and then she was put on a hypoallergic diet. So after that, when she's coming over here, there has never been any similar gut issues or anything happening. So बहुत बार ये, इसके लिए मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि आप घर जाने के बाद give a feedback. If there are challenges, उसको ऐसे पैनिक कर, एक तो यार डॉग्स का बहुत बार स्टूल इसके लिए भी हो जाता है कि वो बस एंग्जाइटी थी. Especially the smaller dogs which turn out, क्योंकि मैं नई जगह गया हूँ, मैं डर गया हूँ ये सारी चीज़ों से. One parent was mentioning कि हम उसको स्विमिंग लेके गए 2 बार, उसको इतना मज़ा आ रहा था, तीसरे दिन नहीं लेके गए, वो अपसेट होके उस वजह से उसके स्टूल में प्रॉब्लम आ गई, राइट? So there could be different trigger points to different scenario.
Yeah, correct. I agree.
तो कहीं ना you should be aware, open to that possibility. वो dependency नहीं बन पाती, if you know what I mean.
I think saying that a dog is very straightforward to handle, I'm sorry, they are not. Because मेरे घर में 3 हैं, हर तीनों का फंक्शनैलिटी ही अलग है. Like डॉलो और रियो को चिकन दे दो, वो लोग खा लेंगे, बट लायरा को चिकन दे दो या गिव हर एनी फैंसीएस्ट मील, she has a way to eat her meal. So if you think that, you know, just
she's
very selective about
and
her
like
food.
I've always seen her to properly finish all her proteins,
first
veggies, everything. She'll keep sniffing. We leave her at least for 15 or 20 minutes
with the food. Yeah.
She takes her own sweet time. And whereas this guy's same with Rio,
they'll inhale it.
They'll vacuum. They'll just everything goes in.
So I think when you say about pet parents being informed, it's a lot. If you're a first time pet parent, be open to the possibility to, you know, this can also happen with my pet, this can also happen like for example Rio and Dollar, I can give the best example. Both of them are retrievers. Rio doesn't have any skin allergy, Dollar has mad skin allergy. But देखा जाए तो दोनों retrievers ही है, दोनों dogs ही है, but
But
इनका
वो
सिस्टम अलग है.
हम दोनों ही इंसान है ना.
हाँ वही correct. So it's the same.
But you might be allergic to different things. I might
Yeah,
be.
correct.
तो वो चीज़ हर अब when you say the same thing, right? यहाँ पे कुछ dogs आते हैं जिनके skin allergies, they are very prone to disinfectants
Correct,
or
correct.
flow
Yeah,
cleaners what
yeah.
you are using. तो वो parents हमें पहले inform कर देते हैं जब भी वो आने वाले हैं. Even though we use a very mild cleaner and kennel level cleaners जो हम use कर रहे होते हैं, but वो पहले instruct कर देते हैं कि उसका minimalistic use करना, ताकि there's no skin allergies as such triggered. तो उस हिसाब से हम लोग we can prepare, right? Again, तो वो communication, अगर आपको अपने डॉग के बारे में शायद बहुत सी चीज़ें होंगी जब आप यहाँ छोड़ोगे तब जाके पता लगेगा. Even you will be surprised कि like you said कि रियो का मेरे को पता ही नहीं था नेचर कैसा होता. And I might have come and said कि यार ये तो बहुत गुस्सा like aggression आ गया या something आ गया because he was out of his territory or anything.
Out
So
of his
you were
home.
open to that possibility. कुछ भी हो सकता है.
I was 100% sure he's going to bite somebody. I'm not even kidding. I was 100% sure. Like I was, yeah, either he's going to get bitten or he's going to bite someone.
Right.
I was so sure about it because that's how I've seen him around street dogs or like, you know, other dogs. But when you told me, nahin, he's fine, he's, and then I saw him interacting with other dogs, I got a shock. I was like, how is this happening? Because, and again, having a group of 3 dogs who always live together,
they form a pack.
They form a pack and they get very territorial about their own group
But I
members
think
only.
Within their group members, Lyra carries a sort of alpha energy. Dollar and
Yes.
Rio has no. They are like the submissive, most friendliest dogs ever
Yeah.
possible. I would compare a lot more. Like he's very protective for his pack. You
Yeah.
can't just enter into my pack. I've seen him literally. Someone was trying to hump asteroid, and this guy from one end of the terrace, he's ran across just to hit that dog.
Correct.
He pulled his ear behind, कि saying तूने मेरे भाई को like obviously he can't speak, but I got that feeling saying कि तूने मेरे भाई को हाथ कैसे या परेशान कैसे करो.
Yeah.